Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got an overview of the built-in screen recorder for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is a really cool feature that they baked in or pre-installed to my unlocked version of the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. You guys can comment down below whether this is actually in the carrier versions as well, because I don't have a carrier version. I don't know and I can't comment. I'm assuming that it is, but just in case, you guys can comment below. So let me add my face in here. You can do that as well. I've got this through a Bluetooth headset, hopefully to give a little bit better sound to you guys. But this is a very interesting and very useful tool if you want to record your screen to show to somebody else, maybe where a certain setting is on your phone or what kind of app you're using or something like that. Now, to access this, you just have to pull your shade down, and then you're going to want to go over to where it says screen recorder right here in the middle of the screen. And what this is going to do is if you tap this once, it will give you a 3-second countdown, and then it will record everything on the screen. Now, if we hold this in, it's going to give us our settings. You can, for the sound, you can select no sound at all, so it's just going to be what's on your screen. You can do media sounds, or you can do media sounds and microphone, which is what I'm doing right now. Video quality is going to be either 1080p, 720p, or 480p, and you can adjust the selfie video size. Mine's right in the middle. And you can also make it larger or smaller if you want to. And I believe I can probably move it around to wherever I want, like the center of the screen or whatnot. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to move myself over to the left-hand side of the screen again. Now there's a bar that comes up here as well that you guys can't see, and it's got 3 icons. One is to stop the video recording. The second one is for the camera. So if I hit it, my camera will disappear, and if I hit it again, of course, it will come back. So you've got that. Now, next to that is a pen icon, and this pen icon then brings up a few things like colors. So if I want to select white and make a smiley face on the screen, I can do that. No problem right there. And it has an undo button as well. If I make a mistake on my annotation, I can do that. So if I was to say maybe go into settings, and I want to show somebody a particular setting, I'd have to say, okay, you need to go into notifications first. And then after that, I can say, you know, if you want to access do not disturb, then you can hit it right here, and this is where you'll turn it on, and that type of thing. Now, the cool thing about this is that if you're gaming, you can have your face overlaid on your game, and you can actually record your gameplay in up to 1080p. Now, I haven't tested that yet, and I may do that a little bit later, maybe with Fortnite or some other games that I've installed on my phone. But overall, this is a really, really nice feature that's built in to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. And again, I have the unlocked version, so I'm not quite sure if it's on the carrier versions, but I don't see why it wouldn't be. It's a great tool to use if you want to show people any apps that you're using, you know, settings that you have set up on your phone, or just have fun with in general. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you guys have any questions or comments about the use of the built-in screen recorder on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, leave those in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so, because that always helps me out, and I'll check you guys out on the next video. See ya!